I have seen people out there claiming that they can reverse diabetes. Some of them are even doctors. Now, one thing I want you to understand is we have three types of diabetes. We have type 1, we have type 2, and we have gestational. Now, type 2, we are going to deal with type 1 later. Type 2, this is when you overload your body with sugars. You take a lot of that sugar every now and then until your insulin becomes resistant. So it can work as it used to be. You're going to develop that diabetes because your body cannot be able to handle that sugar to bring it to the normal ranges. Now we have gestational diabetes, whereby when you're pregnant, the demand for the same glucose goes high. So the tendency for your body to have as much of that sugar in your blood system becomes high. So your body will require more of them because of whatever is developing in you, and some other more factors that will limit how much you can be able to convert this glucose to other things, so that you remain with only then the required amount of that glucose in your blood. Now, type 2 and gestational can be reversed because the only thing that you need to do here is to reduce the amount of sugar that you're taking, and eventually, if you are in early stages, you can reverse this condition. We have type 1, which is not totally different. You see, your pancreas usually produce two hormones. We have insulin, which are usually produced from the beta cells of your pancreas. And then we have alpha cells, which usually produce glucagon. Those hormones are they're antagonistics, which means that an increase in one causes a decrease in the other. Now, when there's a destruction of those beta cells, which usually produce insulin, you're not going to produce enough insulin, or maybe you're not going to produce any of that insulin at all. And the only thing that you need to do here is to inject yourself with that insulin so that your body can be able to convert whatever sugar that you have into other forms, or maybe allow the cells to break down the sugar in your blood to maintain that level. So this is a pure destruction of the beta cells of your pancreas. So unless you are going to reverse the beta cells, the destruction of these cells, this way you can be able to reverse this. And mostly this usually happens due to something like cancer. You have the cancer in your pancreas, the pancreatic cancers. We have something like this one I'm forgetting. We have diseases like pancreatitis, which affects your pancreas. And also, there's still another one which I'm still forgetting that's very, very essential. Autoimmunity. Now, when the cells of your body, the immune cells, start fighting off some of the cells in your body, it means that you're going to have some of those defects. Like, you have your immune cells targeting the beta cells in your pancreas. It means that they are going to destroy them because they feel or they think that they are foreign in that body. So you're not going to be able to produce any of that insulin, and you can only compensate for that by injecting yourself with synthetic insulin.